Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Stacy. So today I'm gonna do my skincare routine for you guys. This is an affordable version, by the way. So yeah, all of these products you can find, well, most of these products you can find at Target or CVS or Walgreens. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and if you do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to post pretty often, like every other day or something like that. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, I completely didn't realize that I had my AirPods in, so I took them out because it's a little rude, I feel like. But the first thing that I do before I even wash my face is I always use the micellar cleansing water, and this one is the simple micellar cleansing water, and it says it is the water boost one. So this one is for dehydrated dry skin, and I specifically got this one because I feel like my skin is more dry. Usually it's more of like a combination, like combo skin, like some parts can get really oily, like my T-zone, but then other parts like this, like right here underneath my eyes, can get really dry. But lately it's been pretty dry because I guess winter and spring, it makes my skin pretty dry. So I've been using this one. As you can see, I've used a lot of this. So usually I just get like a cotton pad or a cotton round or something, and then I just like move it all over my face and get all of the makeup, excess makeup off, or anything that might be left on my skin, like extra dirt, oil, all of that stuff, and it's really good. By the way, I am wearing a shirt. I don't know if you can tell, but just thought I would point it out just so you guys don't think I'm like out here naked. After that is I always wash my face. So I use the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, and this one is for normal to oily skin. They do have one for dry skin and one for like completely oily skin, but I chose the normal one, I guess, because I do have like a combination skin. So it says it removes excess oils without drying, and it's clinically proven to deep clean skin. So I really like this one, and it's very inexpensive, and I feel like ever since I started using this, my skin, sorry, like my dad's working on something in the garage, so I'm sorry if you guys hear like sounds, but yeah, I feel like ever since I started using this consistently, like every single day, I started to notice a difference in my skin, and it definitely started to clear up. By the way, I only use this once a day, so yeah. After I cleanse my skin, I use this Thayer's Witch Hazel toner, and this is an alcohol-free toner in the flavor, in the scent cucumber. I don't know, it looks like this, and I got this from Whole Foods, but I'm sure you can find it in other places as well. By the way, I'm going to put all of these products in the description box so you guys can check them out. But yeah, this is what this looks like. I just use a cotton round or like a cotton ball to just like put it all over my skin, and I love this. I feel like it's really nice and natural. Okay, so after, I just use this Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, and this one is the oil-free one. It looks like this. I'm almost out of it. Actually, all of these things I'm like almost running out of. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what I use to moisturize my face, and yeah, it works really well. I love this one. I'll use either this one or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Moisturizer, or some type of gel moisturizer. Usually in the spring and summer, I'll use a gel moisturizer because I feel like it's more lighter on the skin. And then when my face is a little bit drier, like in the fall and winter, I'll use this one. And I mean, we just got into spring not too long ago, so I've still been using this one. And yeah, I really like it. I think it's pretty bomb. And I also do use a few under eye creams. So I have two here that I really like. This one is the one I've been using more often recently, and it is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, and it looks like this. And I actually got this in one of my FabFitFun boxes. You just kind of squeeze it out, and then you just put it underneath your eyes. I love doing this. I always recommend putting an eye cream underneath your eyes just to prevent any sort of wrinkles. And you might think like, okay, you're still young, but at the same time, I feel like now is the time to do like preventative care, and then in the future, like your skin is just gonna like thank you for everything. So I really like this one, and I've been using this one more recently. But This one is a little bit expensive. So the other one I use is this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Eye Cream. Looks like this. I really like this Neutrogena Hydra Boost line. All of their products I think are really good, but this one, it feels so good underneath the eyes. It just feels like nice and refreshing, so I really like that. Okay, and then the next step that I do is I will apply some sort of a serum. So I have two here. So this one is the Pearlescence 24K Peptide Infusion Illuminating Facial Serum. So it has like little 24K particles in the serum, and I really like this one because I feel like it just makes my skin brighter and more illuminating. And then I also have this Dare Mere Lect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This one has glycolic, salicylic, and L-ascorbic acid. So all of these really help for just tightening up your skin and making it feel like a lot more supple. And I use this one overnight. So I'll just put it on like at nighttime, and then I'll just like leave it on throughout the night. This one I usually put on like right before I do my makeup. This one I got in a FabFitFun box, and this Pearlescence one was actually a gift. So I'm not sure where you can find this, but if I find them, I'll put the links in the description box. I recommend you using any type of serum. I feel like your skin is gonna really benefit from it, and it's gonna thank you, because serums, honestly, they feel really nice, and I feel like they just make your skin look a lot brighter. I do use this Aveeno Positively Radiant Intensive Night Cream, and I only use this at night, right before bed. It's very thick, and I just like to leave it on like overnight. I feel like this really helps with the dryness, so I recommend you using some type of a thicker consistency cream at night. Leave it on overnight, and then in the morning you don't even have to wash it off. It just kind of seeps into your skin and works its magic. And the last thing to my skincare routine is this Mario Badescu facial spray, and this one has the aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I love this one. I'm gonna spray some on right now, honestly. It just feels so good. Like, it just feels calming. It feels like just really good. It smells really good, and I just love this Mario Badescu skincare line. They also have the cucumber one, which is the green one, and then they also have the rose water. I do have the rose water one, which I use for my like makeup, like right before my makeup and after my makeup, but this is the one that I use more for like when I'm doing my skincare because of the scent, and it just like refreshes your skin. And yeah, that is basically what I do on the daily. Alright, so some other things that I do, these things I do probably like every other day or like once a week, is I wear masks. I love wearing masks. I love wearing like the sheet masks that you can get at Target. I'll insert like some pictures of some. I don't have any right now, but some of the like peel off masks or like the sheet masks, those are really good, and they're also really inexpensive. And then I've also been using this one. This is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and this is what it looks like. Got it in my FabFitFun box, and you basically just put it on, wait for it to dry, and then you just can wash it off, and it's really good for brightening. I love clay masks. They feel so good on your skin. So yeah, I have this one, and then I also have the Water Bomb. This is the sleeping mask, and this is more of a gel consistency. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this one has marine extracts, and it says it's packed with essential nutrients. Work overnight with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration and enhance skin's elasticity. Just put this all over like right before bed as well. On the days that I don't put this on, I'll put this on. Usually like every other day I'll switch between these two, but it feels so refreshing and it feels really good on the skin because it's like that gel consistency. And then this I'll do like probably like once or twice a week, and then the sheet masks I like to do like every other day. So yeah, that is basically it for this skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.